613, JSTL for data display. In this part, I'd like to introduce a simple technology. It's pretty simple to use. It is called JSP Standard Tag Library. It is a pretty old technology, but still, it is quite useful. Many JSP programmers, so they like to use this technology mainly for data display. We know the purpose of JSP mainly for data presentation. All right, so let us look at the basics of this technology. Here, let me introduce this technology. The full name, here you can see it is called JSP Standard Tag Library. All right, the main keyword, tag. We're familiar with tags, right? HTML tags. All right. So now you see the main feature of this technology. Using the typical tag way to do the data presentation. All right, here. So let me give you the reason behind it. So why Java people they develop this technology? So they try to enhance JSP power. We know JSP is pretty powerful, right? But they want to make it more powerful. So enhance the JSP capabilities. Here, so let me describe the situation, the current situation in JSP. So when you do JSP programming, basically you maintain two environments. One is Java environment. For example, the Java scriptlets, right? Scriptlets. Java scriptlets. All right. So you're familiar with that environment. Another is HTML. Basically, this environment is tag-based, tag environment. These two environments quite different, right? Java environment, HTML tag environment, quite different. For a JSP programmer, he or she needs to frequently switch between two different environments. Sometimes Java environment, sometimes HTML environment, right? Frequently, So that kind of switch could be improved. That kind of, switching between those two environments could be improved. All right. So now, those people who develop this technology, they want to use the same tag environment. So the idea for this new technology, all right, so using tag environment for dynamic part. That's the main idea. Because currently the HTML tag environment, this one currently only for static content. And we know the power of JSP is mainly at the dynamic content. All right. So now the new improvement idea, create new Java environment, new Java tag environment. That new Java tag environment can be used to do the dynamic content presentation. That's the main idea. So with that, then this technology was developed. JSP, standard tag library. Standard tag library was developed. So convenient, very useful, simple to use, and also very powerful. And it can improve the productivity. So that is the simple introduction to this technology. All right? Yeah. All right. So then another thing, another big advantage of this technology. Yeah. I like to mention a little bit here. Another big advantage of this technology. All right. Here, the standard, look at this word, standard tag library. Yeah. All right. So everybody must use this technology then to present the data standard. So in that way. But sometimes this kind of limitation may not be sufficient for real-world data processing. Because for the real-world data processing, think about a typical situation in a business. In some specific business, for example, suppose you work in a specific business, you need to do a lot of data processing related to your own special business. So there are a lot of data processing tasks for your own business. Only your own business needs those functionalities. So for other businesses, they do not need to use that kind of data processing. For that kind of situation, your company, your tech team in your company, you may like to develop your own special data processing tool. All right. In that situation, you can use the Java internal support to build that data processing tool. All right. So here, let me give you, that's related to this technology, but different. So here I would like to talk about the Java custom tag library. Custom tag library technology. All right? Custom here. All right? Java provides certain interfaces. So you can use that interfaces and special classes to develop your own tag libraries. Then you use your own tag libraries. You can do very special data processing regarding your own business. So that can make the data processing tool very powerful. Because you want to improve your productivity, right? For certain type of special data processing work in your business, you need to do frequently. So you really want to have some efficient processing tool. So you can use this technology to develop. All right. So you can see you can That means this technology has very powerful extension to allow you to extend capability of your processing tool. How about that? How about that? That kind of potential. All right, yeah. To learn, use that, you just spend some time so you can quickly get used to that technology, the support. Yeah. All right, so here I give you the background of this technology. But most of the time in our usual Java web application development, we just use the JSTL. So that's already, very convenient. So we don't need to develop our own, custom tag library. Yeah. But that kind of potential for special businesses, quite useful. Yeah. All right, so after the background introduction, next, let me describe how to use it. The basic steps we use it in a Java web application. And then later, we will use it quickly. Yeah. And we will use it to do one special feature, navigation buttons. That's what we will use in this project number 2. We have a chance to use it. Although we don't have to use it, but here we have a chance to use this technology. So that is the navigation buttons, that feature. Yeah, so what's that? Previous, next button, right? So you click previous button, you go to the previous page. You click the next button, you go to the next page, right? But when you write the code for those buttons, first, we need to put dynamic content there, right? Dynamic content. Yeah. Some page-related data we should associate with those two buttons. Yeah. And related to that situation, so then we can use the JSTL little bit to do the navigation button programming. Yeah. So we will do it in the next video. So this one we look at the basic introduction, that part. Yeah. Next, how to use it in a Java web application. Very simple. Yeah. Here in our list.jsp, we will use it. In order to use this technology, you only need to put one line on top of the page. Yeah. Usually we put at the very top. Yeah. This line. Okay. Use JSP directive. Yeah. This notation. Tag lib. Yeah. So here, the way we use it, tag lib, tag library, tag lib. Yeah. The special type of JSP directive, tag lib. All right. Then this URI. Yeah. So that's the standard way we refer to the core package of JSTL. JSTL has many packages: core, string, function, STL, XML, but the most frequently used package is this core package. All right? But when we use it, the core package, we use a prefix. Prefix. For example, C prefix. Yeah, we use the core package. All right? Yeah. Tag, right? Tag away. Yeah. Colon, if. That's the if tag. If. So here, when we want to use if statement, we can use the core package, inside core package if tag, C colon if. Yeah. Next video, we will look at how to use these basic JSTL tags. All right. So that's the top line we need to include in our JSP file. But you need to add a library file in your web application. add this. You can download, find JSTL.jar, this library file. Yeah. So I provide you, yeah, but it's very easy to find it on web. Yeah. All right. So this jar library file you put in the same lib location with your MySQL drivers jar file. That location you put there. So then in your JSP, after you include this line, you can use all the features. Yeah. So that's simple. All right. So in the next video, I will show you how to use it. Mainly, we work on the navigation buttons. All right. So let me start. D.3 right here. Yeah.